Solving radical equations. So a radical equation is an equation with a radical, square root or cube root sign. So what we're going to do is we are going to isolate the radical and then square both sides. So here we need to isolate this radical, so we're going to divide by -6, which leaves us 4 equals the square root of 2k plus 2. Now that this is isolated, we can square both sides. So now we have a two-step equation and we solve as usual. Right, we have the square root of r is equal to 5. This is isolated, the radical is isolated, so we're going to square both sides. Again, this radical is isolated, so we can go ahead and square both sides. Again, this is isolated, so we're going to square both sides. So we have a -6 times the radicand, so we need to isolate, so we need to divide by -6. And then we can square. So now we have a radical on both sides. They're both isolated, so we're going to square both sides.